Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com here in Addison, Illinois. Today I have one of my favorite high school cars from the late 80s, a 1988 Chevrolet IROC, 5.7 liter, automatic overdrive transmission with T-tops, buckets, console. Really nice two-owner registered vehicle with a clean Carfax report. Dark red exterior. As you can see, it is loaded with power steering, power disc brakes, factory air conditioning, and we'll go over a couple more details as we progress here. The paint on the car is really nice. The body looks super straight. Check this out really quick. Let's do a quick walk down just to show you how straight the body is on it. This is an added pinstripe with the Heartbeat USA that can be removed. It's an unmolested car. Again, 5.7 TPI, very desirable engine option for this particular year. Really nice clean interior, and continuing down the body, just presents itself super straight. Everything appears to be original on the car as far as the components and everything. Really nice, clean and tidy engine compartment. And yes, I will start the car. And everything does function on this IROC. Check it out one more time all around. Tires are good. Wheels are original to the car. The IROC decal right there on the bottom. Beautiful, clean. There you go with the power seat. For the driver's side, you got power windows, power locks, tilt wheel, console, hatch opener, and for your windows. Stock stereo, as you can see, everything unmolested. Odometer showing a little bit over 30,000 miles. Real easy. Just crank it over. Sounds stock. Listen to this. Sounds just like it should. Underneath, super clean. Underneath, no rot at all, no rust at all. Just really a desirable, definitely current and future investment on these IROCs. Just take a look at what these things were 5 years ago and see how they skyrocketed for an investment purchase type. Great tangible asset, guys. It has all the options you can possibly want on an IROC. The desirable optional 5.7 liter motor, along with the T-tops, buckets, console, and a stock car with 30,000, original miles, two-owner, clean Carfax auto check report. It's super nice and super clean. Anybody would enjoy driving this car, and they do handle really good going down the road. If you guys need financing, if your credit score is between 600 and 739, you'll need about 10% down. Just go to my website, MGMClassicCars.com. Click the finance tab and fill it out, and somebody will definitely be getting back to you within one business day. Nice weather stripping as well. Just gorgeous, clean cloth interior on the car. For those of you who are 750 and higher on the credit score, go directly to my lender, lightstream.com. No money down option. Check that out for 750 credit score and higher. We also do delivery right to your driveway, licensed, insured, bonded, right to your driveway. Text me and I'll get you a quote. Text me your zip code. Go ahead and get a pen handy, and I'll leave my phone number in a little bit here. If you're watching on YouTube, subscribe to my channel. It's the button on the bottom right of your screen. Just click it. You guys will check out what I got coming tomorrow. Super cool. We do this every day here at MGM Classic Cars. Guys, gals, I have two buildings full, over 100 hand-picked classic muscle cars, modern muscle cars as the IROC, as you can see, in stock, all owned by us, no consignments. We put our money where our mouth is and then share with you all the information about the vehicles. We do service our cars. As you can see, there's 4 posts in the back with mechanics that go through every and each vehicle prep on the vehicle itself, on every one. So again, if you got that pen handy, my number is 847-848-1850. Again, 847-848-1850. Check us out, mgmclassiccars.com. Thanks for watching.